Good morning, this is the latest market news. I'm Uliana. Asian stocks rose on Wednesday after widening trade surplus in China, following industry activity index in Japan and Federal Reserve Chair Janet Yellen's reassurance that U.S. monetary authorities will keep policy accommodative. National Bureau of Statistics of China reported on Wednesday that country's trade surplus in January widened to 31.86 billion Chinese yuan from 25.6 billion in December. Markets were expecting a surplus of 23.65 billion Chinese yuan. Exports rose 10.6% against an expectations of 2%, while imports rose 10% against an expectations of 3%. Hang Seng was up 0.92%, Nikkei rose 0.49% and ASX 200 was up 1.06%. On Tuesday, the US stocks rose sharply. At the close of US trading, the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 1.22%. The Australian dollar-US dollar gained 14 points this morning after Chinese data showed a substantial growth in exports, which is good for Aussie exports. The Aussie is trading at 0.9051, climbing steadily after testimony from the FOMC chief that the Fed would continue to taper its purchases as the US economy continues to improve. The Australian dollar rose to a one-month high on Wednesday, despite new Fed Chair Janet Yellen confirming the US Central Bank would continue to taper its monthly bond purchases as the US economy recovers. The strengthening of the local exchange rate as the US dollar fell to multi-week lows against a range of currencies was a sign that risk was back on the table even as the US wins back its unprecedented stimulus program. The major economic news for Wednesday starts with the December report on industrial production for the Eurozone. Soon afterwards, the Bank of England publishes its inflation report, which will be carefully dissected for clues on the outlook for the timing of the next round of interest rate hikes. Eurozone industrial production, 10 GMT. The consensus forecast sees the monthly comparison descending to negative 0.3% in today's December update, down sharply from November's hefty 1.8% advance. The annual rate of change is expected to remain positive, however posting a 1.9% rise. It was the latest market news provided by ICO FX. Goodbye.